In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build event-triggered systems in Wix. We're using the no-code Wix automations approach, which is perfect for connecting native Wix apps like events, stores, bookings, and forms to automated actions without writing a single line of code. Think of it as telling your site, when this happens, do that, and letting Wix handle the rest. Start on your Wix dashboard. From there, open Automations, then click the plus New Automation button. This is where you'll set up the rule. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you're in the correct one before you continue. Creating a clear name for your automation can help you keep things organized later. Next, define your trigger. Choose the Wix application the automation should listen to, Wix events, forms, stores, or bookings, and then pick the exact event. For example, you might select Visitor Submits Form or Guest Purchases Ticket. The trigger is the moment that kicks off everything else, so match it to the real-world action you care about. You can optionally set conditions to narrow things down. Conditions let you filter who or what qualifies for the automation. For instance, you might only trigger if a specific field contains a certain value, such as a form field that says VIP or a ticket type that equals early bird. Conditions help you keep your automations focused, so you're not sending messages when they aren't needed. Now decide the action. This is what happens after the trigger fires. You could send an email to the visitor or your team, create a new item in a CMS collection to log the activity, or send a notification so someone on your team can follow up. If you choose email, personalize it using form fields or order details so it feels helpful and relevant. If you choose CMS, map fields clearly so your data stays tidy. By the way, if you need the link to Wix and its automations, I've placed it right at the top of the description so you can jump in quickly. Set the timing for your action. You can trigger immediately, after a delay, or on a specific date. Immediate is great for confirmations or receipts. A delay is useful for reminders or follow-ups. A specific date works well for event-related notifications. Before you activate, review your trigger, any conditions, and your action settings to ensure everything lines up with your goal. When you're satisfied, click Activate. That's it. Your automation is now live and ready to work for you around the clock. Thanks for watching.